The door. Hey,
Welcome to Bask and Lather Co.
Is Shayna the CEO in?
No, she's not in.
Oh, okay. She didn't tell you I was coming today, huh? Oh, she didn't tell you I was coming.
No.
You don't know me? Girl, how you working? It's me.
Hi, Tokyo.
Hey, girl, how you doing? Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. I'ma go squeeze my tiny ass right into this right over in the office, girl. I'ma let her know I'm here.
Okay.
You don't have to let her know. I'ma let her know. Tokyo Vanity, you sending out a Tokyo bundle, and what you didn't do, you didn't put Tokyo in the box. You trying to cut me out the picture. This is the Tokyo bundle. I can't fit in the box, so be bringing me to go in the box. And what you did, you left me out the box. Fire!
We're actually going to be doing an edge demo on Latoya. We have our edge control here.
Freeze! Don't touch nothing. Don't touch me. Thank you. All you goddamn wrist was in the wrong. And you actually could top that up. I got my own. Tell them to pack it up. We're going to ship that out in a minute. Alright. You hold still, baby. I got you. Because she almost. Chin up. You, bring it in. Alright. Wave sounds. Wave sounds. See what I'm saying? You heard that? That was a dolphin. Dolphin in the wave.
Ma'am, I need the order number to pull up the details on your order. And you do.
Hello? Hey! Bring it from a 10 to a 2. Bask and Lather code on the phone. How may I help you? It don't matter who it is. When did you order the Errrlsss? You ordered the Errrlsss at 12 o'clock, baby. It's 3 in the evening right now. I don't know who you thought this was, but this Bask and Lather. I'm not Houdini. Don't call this phone no more. Tracking is coming.
Tokyo has been taking over everything. We need to get her out of here. We're gonna have to call Sheena and get her in. Call her now. Let her know.
Give me 1 second. I'm gonna give you a call back in 1 or 2 minutes, okay? Hey, how's it going?
Hey, it's time for you to come back.
What's going on?
Dana, we need you here because Tokyo is taking over.
Taking over what?
The warehouse. She's in everything. She's making all kinds.
She's at the warehouse?
Yes.
When did she's at? I'm coming right now. I'm on my way. What is going on in here? What? A pink rug? What is going on in here?
Hey, Shayna.
Hey, Tokyo.
Girl, I got you a little gift. I didn't know you was coming in so early.
These look like the things that you have in your house.
I just thought it just needed. You gave me a new bundle. And it got me feeling like I really belong here. So I just came in town to get everything right. You know, she was messing up on the phones. And It was messing up with the orders, and you know everybody was kind of just doing the wrong stuff. So I came to get everything in order because I felt like you needed a break. I thought I wanted to help you on your off day, just you know.
Okay, well, you know you're welcome here anytime, but you know at least just give us a heads up so that we know what's going on and to expect you.
One of them had called you.
Yeah, I know. I saw it on the cameras.
You sure ain't nobody called you?
No, nobody
There
called.
was a problem.
I saw it on the cameras. Yeah, I kind of have a Zoom meeting. I have to get on camera and use the computer.